What is the idea behind voluntary disclosure? By filing a voluntary disclosure suo moto on account of any error or omission in the tax submission, you can expect a lesser penalty or even sometimes penalty waiver. From tax authorities' perspective, the question is simple. It saves the administrative efforts that it would have incurred for finding out any errors or omissions. But what in a situation where there is no financial impact at all even after filing a voluntary disclosure? Example, when you have reported incorrect reporting of Emirates, or where there is incorrect reporting of exempt supplies, or where there is incorrect reporting of zero rated supplies. Example, you had made some sales from Sharjah, but you had incorrectly reported as a sales from Dubai or from Abu Dhabi Emirate in your VAT return. That tax payable you would have already paid, but there was error in reporting. Or you have made exports of 50,000 dirham, but you have reported it as 45,000 dirham. In this case, again, it is exempt, therefore there is no impact on your tax payable. Same goes with any of your zero rated supply or any other of your exempt supplies. Only difference it could make is in calculation of input apportionment. It is only in a limited situations that even if you have underreported your revenue, or it could make some sort of, or let's say you have incorrectly reported your revenue under different Emirates, it would bring some difference. Under Cabinet Decision number 49 of 2021, there is penalty in case there is any error or omissions, which could lead to underreporting of tax payable or sometime over-reporting of the refund amount. Penalties are when VD is filed, 5% to 40% of the difference amount, and when VD is not filed, 50% of the error flat and 4% of the original pay of the differential amount from the original date to the date of assessment. Case where there is wrong Emirates, zero rated or exempt supplies, it is very hard to say that there is any actual advantage that one can have by filing the voluntary disclosure. While mistakes can be corrected through VD, it is obvious. But why should one file correction for this? It's again a question. What has now happened is by virtue of the recent circular, the decision number 8 of 2024. If there is an error and omission, you need to file a voluntary disclosure for any of the three cases, where there is a wrongful reporting of the Emirates, or where there is underreporting of income in your box 4 on account of exports, or let's say for zero rated services, or under box 5 for exempt supplies. Therefore appears that VD under the UAE tax law serves hybrid role, that the taxpayer step forward if he has identified error which has resulted or which results in increase in tax payable amount, the conventional method, or the another one is the non-conventional method, to even file correction where there is no change in the tax payable or there is no impact in the overall tax payable amount. Thank you, friends.